In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Pay to your Wix website. If you're running an online store or offering services through a Wix site, making the checkout experience as seamless as possible for your customers is essential. Apple Pay is a fast, secure, and convenient way for your customers to pay with just a tap, and integrating it into your Wix site can really help boost conversions. Whether you're new to Wix or just looking to enhance your payment options, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the entire process. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Wix account. Head over to the Wix homepage and use your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. This is your control center for managing your website, so it's where we'll start making changes. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar on your dashboard. You'll see several options listed there. Click on the one labeled Settings. This will take you to a page with a variety of tools and options for customizing and managing your site's functionality. From here, we'll focus on the payment settings. Within the Settings panel, locate the section called Accept Payments. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Wix allows you to manage all the payment methods available on your website. You'll see a list of options and tools related to accepting payments from your customers. Before we dive into Apple Pay specifically, it's important to make sure your site is already set up to accept credit and debit card payments through Wix. If you haven't done this yet, follow the prompts displayed on the screen to enable card payments. Wix will guide you through linking a payment provider or setting up the necessary information. This step is crucial because Apple Pay relies on your existing card payment infrastructure to function. Once you've confirmed that credit and debit card payments are set up, you'll notice that Apple Pay is listed among the available payment methods. Find Apple Pay in the list and click on it. This will initiate the configuration process for adding Apple Pay to your site. At this point, Wix may prompt you to verify that Apple Pay is properly configured with your bank or card provider. This is just a security check to ensure everything is aligned on the back end. If you're prompted to do this, follow the instructions carefully, as this step is essential for Apple Pay to function correctly. Now, you'll see a Connect button next to the Apple Pay option. Click on it. What this does is link Apple Pay to your Wix website, enabling it as an active payment method. Once you've clicked Connect, Wix will begin the process of linking your site to Apple Pay. After completing the connection process, all that's left to do is wait for Wix to confirm that Apple Pay has been successfully added to your website. This usually doesn't take very long. Once you receive confirmation, Apple Pay will be live on your site and your customers will be able to use it as a payment option. And that's it. You've successfully added Apple Pay to your Wix website. By doing this, you've made it even easier for your customers to check out quickly and securely. Remember, offering streamlined payment options can significantly improve customer satisfaction and encourage repeat business. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.